August 8th, Foxborough. So as we talked on the phone, there are two kinds of mole infestation. One where maybe you might have just like a straight tunnel just kind of cutting through on his way maybe to your neighbor's property. That guy, since you're not the magnet, since he's just passing through, you can trap that guy. Maybe you'll get 2 or 3, but since your property in that scenario wouldn't be the problem, maybe your neighbors would be, or wherever he's passing through to get to. However, your property is different. You have mounds in here, you have one here, one here, one here. It's kind of zigzagging through there. You've got the same thing over here. You've got mounds over here. Mounds mean that there is, if you've got a surface tunnel, if it's just straight passing through, no problem. If the surface tunnel is kind of zigzagging everywhere, then that's when you've got a soil issue that's causing the mole to go from food to food to food to food. When you have this kind of soil churning, this is multi-level hunting. So he's going down, pushing soil up, displacing soil. And when you've got this kind of underground activity, this means that this area is kind of a magnet for moles, as is that area, as is that area. So it's also widespread. So it's not just in one area. But even more, you've got a tunnel that's kind of coming up here because there's something up here that's pulling moles in from way over there. So this is noisy enough to moles that are way back there that they can hear all of that over here from back there. That's what this straight tunnel is. Him getting from where he doesn't care about to this area that's sort of the mole magnet. So this zigzagging is an indication that they're going from food to food to food to food to food, which is part of that sort of that draw. There's something going on here that's pulling them out of that bed. And of course you've got this, which they're coming through here, and it's just nothing but a feeding frenzy. This is your property's most powerful mole magnet, which I guess is probably something you already knew. But this is a soil issue. This isn't happening just any place randomly. They came from a great distance to get here. They hear this from far away. I can trap this if you want, but if I keep killing, moles are territorial, so if I just keep killing the moles that are currently here, if this soil continues to pull moles in, which is actually the problem, oftentimes I'm just clearing the way for the next wave of moles to come in, that I will trap for you, for the next moles to come in, that I will trap for you. That doesn't tend to end. If you'd like, in this area is also, you see all this multi-level hunting. They're going up and down through here. They're also zigzagging. So all this area is a powerful magnet for the moles. Problem is, it's hard for them to get in here, which tells you how noisy this is for them, so that they can hear all of this from wherever they came from.